how big were dinosaurs?
Well, dinosaurs, of course, are considered by most people to be the largest land animals that ever existed. This is the leg of a Camarasaurus, and Camarasaurus is a really big dinosaur, but it's not the largest. And there's no question that dinosaurs include some of the largest species of animals to ever walk on land. However, size is not necessarily understood by using words like the largest and the smallest. When we ask, what was the largest dinosaur, do we mean the heaviest dinosaur, the longest dinosaur, or the tallest dinosaur?
To illustrate the point, let's take a look at a group of modern animals. Which of these animals is the biggest? A giraffe, an elephant, or a blue whale? Check all the answers you think are correct. Well, in fact, any answer might be correct. It really depends on what your definition of biggest is. Is the biggest animal the tallest, the heaviest, or the longest? The elephant is the heaviest land mammal, but the giraffe is taller. The blue whale is the longest and heaviest of the 3 mammals in this quiz. Marine animals can attain larger sizes than terrestrial animals because the entire body can be supported by water.
Understanding the real sizes of different dinosaurs is a lot trickier because we don't have the living animals to measure or weigh, and the fossilized skeletons really only include the bones. These skeletons are usually incomplete as well, and we can make estimates about the length and the height based on those incomplete or nearly complete skeletons, but understanding how heavy the dinosaur was is a lot trickier because the bones have been infilled by minerals, so they're too heavy, and we do not have all of the skin, muscles, and organs of that dinosaur. Additionally, dinosaurs, like birds, often had extensive air sac systems throughout their bodies. And that means that dinosaurs, like birds, had a lot more air inside those bodies than mammals do. And that makes it difficult to equate the body weight of an elephant-sized dinosaur with an elephant, for example.
The sauropod, or long-necked dinosaurs, include some of the largest terrestrial animals ever. Which of these sauropods was the biggest? Argentinosaurus, Diplodocus, or Giraffatitan? Check all the answers you think are correct. In this case, each of these animals can be considered the biggest in different ways. The tallest, relatively complete sauropod skeleton is from an animal called Giraffatitan, which was closely related to the more familiar Brachiosaurus and was about 12 meters tall. The longest, relatively complete sauropod was Diplodocus, which was 25 meters long, although a more fragmentary specimen called Seismosaurus may have been even longer at 40 meters. Argentinosaurus was probably the heaviest sauropod. Using the size and shape of its limb bones, it is estimated to have weighed as much as 100 metric tons. But not all dinosaurs were big. How small were the smallest dinosaurs? Were they just smaller than a cow? Just smaller than a dog? Or smaller than a chicken? The answer is C, smaller than a chicken. Although dinosaurs could be incredibly large animals, one should never forget that all dinosaurs were not gigantic. The majority of dinosaur species were no larger than the big land-dwelling mammals we see today, like rhinos, hippos, elephants, and giraffes. As time goes on and we make new discoveries about dinosaurs, more and more small species are being found. There were many species of small plant-eating dinosaurs, and some of the smallest dinosaurs were meat eaters smaller than modern chickens.